Hi, I'm Vishaal Karthik. I'm a senior software developer with extensive expertise in AI assisted coding and Python. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate an advanced portfolio analysis project showcasing AI enhanced development of a financial analytics tool. We'll be using Cursor.ai along with Claude 3.5. So, a little bit about me. I've completed my master's in computer science at UIC. The curriculum at UIC equipped me with a strong foundation in software development and data mining. In my advanced software development course, I honed my code organization, documentation, and refactoring skills. These have made me a more effective and efficient developer capable of producing high quality code. Additionally, in my data mining course, I've gained hands on experience using Python and big data. This has sharpened my data analysis skills, allowing me to extract meaningful insights from large datasets. So, moving on to the base project, uh, routinely I engage with AI tools like ChatGPT for ideation. For this portfolio analysis project, I've incorporated various metrics and plot generation. While not entirely AI generated, I've used Cursor for debugging, which streamlined the process. The project is modularized into four parts: data fetching, data processing, calculations, and data visualization. Each part operates independently, making the code easier to maintain and expand. I've included loggers throughout the program to track its execution and to debug issues that rise within the program. Each module and function is documented with detailed doc strings. These follow the Google style guide, which makes it easier for other devs to understand and work with the code. So let me show you how the project works quickly. Yeah, so there are going to be a bunch of graphs that'll be generated. So there's one, there's two, the efficient frontier, the distribution, and finally the Monte Carlo simulation results. And parallelly, there are going to be the metrics that I talk about and a little info as logs about the status of each execution. So now I'd like to introduce a new feature, optimizing how we allocate assets to achieve a desired result with the least amount of risk. Simply put, we're trying to find the best way to spread our investments to meet our target return efficiently. So to implement this, I used AI tools provided within Cursor, so Claude 3.5, which significantly sped up the development process. Let's take a look at how it came together. So here I'm adding optimization function to our calculations module. So during coding, I encountered some issues with data formats, specifically mismatches causing errors when generating plots. So using AI assistance, I quickly identified and fixed these problems, ensuring everything worked smoothly. With these adjustments, the optimization feature is now successfully integrated. So let's see the application in action. So these plots are the same as in the base project, but as you can see, after setting our target return, the project calculates the optimal asset allocation and highlights the best portfolio on the chart. So this helps us make informed decisions when building a portfolio to balance return and risk effectively. Implementing this feature demonstrates my ability to develop complex functionality using Python and AI tools. And despite initial challenges, I effectively add the new feature, enhancing the application's capabilities and showcasing strong problem solving skills. So, as we've seen, my skills align perfectly with the requirements of this role. My expertise in Python and experience with AI assisted development tools like Cursor and Cloud enable me to build complex applications effectively. I've honed advanced software practices, emphasizing code organization, modularity, comprehensive documentation, which ensures maintainability and scalable code bases. So, my background in data analysis and visualization allow me to extract meaningful insights from large data sets, crucial for projects like this portfolio analysis tool. Additionally, my understanding of financial modeling enhances my ability to integrate complex calculations and optimizations into software solutions. So, by leveraging AI tools, I've streamlined debugging and the development process, demonstrating strong problem solving abilities. I believe these skills make me a great fit for the position, and I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute my expertise to your team. Thank you.